What's up, guys? Aaren Currie from NextHome Statewide Real Estate. I got licensed in real estate at 18 years old. I'm 51 years old this year, so I've been selling real estate for 32 years. I've transacted over $200 million in real estate over my lifetime, and my parents were in the business before me, so I just love helping people and selling houses. I got started partnering with Allen Edwin Homes based on a customer looking. In real estate, it's important to have several arrows in your quiver. And Allen Edwin is definitely one of those arrows in my quiver. If I can't find an existing residential home, or if someone wants to have a new house built, I always come to Allen Edwin to see what they have available or what we can put together for my customers. What I most enjoy about working with Allen Edwin Homes is that we use a lot of the same contractors. For example, my excavator that I use locally is an excavator for Allen Edwin Homes. I know the quality of his work, and that's important to me. As I bring customers to these houses, the quality definitely is the difference. The contractors, the materials, the quality of the salesperson, and the information they're providing all blends together to make it a seamless transaction, and that's really why I like selling Allen Edwin Homes. So oftentimes my clients come to Allen Edwin because they're just having difficulty getting into a newer home at the right price point. And Allen Edwin specializes in creating that price point for that first, second, or third time buyer. It makes it affordable for them to get into a new house that will be maintenance free for the next 5 to 10 years, which oftentimes is hard to find. I love real estate because I love working with people. It gives me freedom and flexibility. It's a hard business. You spend a lot of time, lots of weeks, you're working 70 to 80 hours a week, but then there's other weeks that you can work 20 to 30 hours a week. And it's not the biggest, most expensive home that is the most heartfelt as you go to closing. It's those people that you've really helped out to get to closing, put in a house, and they're so appreciative, commission doesn't even come into the picture. What sets our business apart from many others is the experience. With my parents being in real estate before me and my length of time in the industry, there's not too much that we haven't experienced. Although if we do run across issues that we have questions about, we'll dig deep. We are that company that digs deep to get those answers to the questions that our customers ask. And for that reason, we always go to closing and get satisfactory or above satisfactory reviews and approval. Allen Edwin saves us time because they have a process that's second to almost none. As you first make contact with an Allen Edwin salesperson, even prior to bringing your customer to be put in touch with them, you'll find that the salesperson has a massive working knowledge of the whole process from groundbreaking through completion. They assist you in getting your customer to the house. They don't do a hard sell. It's information that's provided, and as that information comes together with the customer, if they have any questions, they answer it right there on the spot, and then we start the building. So it really makes it a convenient process and a seam-free process to get your customer from the point of inquiry through closing. Allen Edwin has helped me to grow my business because, like I said, as you're out in the field, working day in, day out, many hours trying to just consummate sales, they're one of the arrows in your quiver. So if I've gone 3 different directions and I've coming up short for my customer, Allen Edwin is that 4th arrow that just makes the gap. They give me the ability to provide just an additional resource for housing for my customers. It is so easy, guys, to register your customer with Allen Edwin. The salespeople stay in communication with me probably at least 6 times a year. I have a personal working relationship with the salesperson. I have a cell phone number. I can call, I can text, I can email. It's as simple as giving him a name, getting them registered in, and from there, I know that my needs are covered and my customers' needs are covered. I will continue to work with Allen Edwin because the system and the process makes it easy. The materials, although they may change from time to time, I know that they shop for the very best materials so that as I put my customer into an Allen Edwin house, I can take confidence in the fact upon them moving up or moving out 7, 8, 10 years from now, they're gonna call me back because I've sold them a good product with good materials, and I'll have a good product to sell in the future. It's important to me to take care of my customers, and I know that that's important to Allen Edwin as well.